Good afternoon and welcome to 2-Minute Tuesday. I'm Barb Webb. I'm with Master Graphics. What is the cost of doing nothing in additive manufacturing? This question should be asked in various business initiatives. However, today I want to ask this question as it relates to additive manufacturing, especially in smaller manufacturing companies that have yet to adopt additive manufacturing. When just beginning something, be it a journey for improvements or an initiative to ensure that you're prepared, I always suggest starting small. Companies that want to dip their toes into 3D printing have a couple of choices. They can either purchase their own additive manufacturing equipment, or they can rely on service bureaus to print their 3D printed parts. Times are changing. And those old production processes mean that you could be losing your competitive edge, and worse yet, missing out on large cost savings. Additive manufacturing can provide significant return on investment to small manufacturers through helping them with 1, improving their industrial tooling processes, 2, producing high value, complex, low volume part runs, 3, creating highly customized products for their industry or for their customers. So let's start with a basic step process for additive manufacturing. 1, let's start with an organizational shift. Generate additive manufacturing mindset within the organization. Number 2, create a roadmap. Find a targeted area and focus on that area, then scale up from there. Number 3, develop a business case. Examine impacts of parts from your supply chain or your product life cycle products with additive manufacturing. And lastly, number 4, identify challenges and evaluate whether additive manufacturing fits within your company. You have to get started with additive manufacturing 3D printing. Doing nothing gets you nothing. Thanks. Have a good day. See you next time on 2-Minute Tuesday.